Hey guys, Thomas Talon here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I want to walk you through a fresh trade that I just took in. This is a 2024 Yamaha 222 SD. Guys, boat's in great shape. We sold this boat brand new, always serviced here at the dealership. Excellent condition. You can look at the hull. Boat's never been beached, not a single scratch on it. Beautiful gray, hull side, black stripe, white cap, nice rub rail with the stainless insert. You've got your nav lights and docking lights located up front. Pop-up cleats. Does come with this trailer that it's sitting on. Let's take a look at the back and the inside. All right, guys, looking at the transom of the Yamaha, you'll see the standard swim platform. This is one of the best characteristics of this boat. Great for hanging out. You see you've got plenty of cup holders. You've got your transom stereo remote. You've got a mount for your table. Looking at the bottom side, you'll see this boat also has underwater lights. Guys, this boat is fully loaded out. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, guys, welcome aboard the 222 SD. Taking a look at the bow, you'll see I've got the bow filler cushions in there to show you how it makes a full sun pad. Of course, guys, you got plenty of cup holders throughout. As you'll see, there's 6 located up front. Speakers up here for your listening pleasure. Nice little step to board off the bow with also a ladder located up front. You'll see your walk-through windshield right here with the side-by-side captain's chairs. Beautiful boats, got the diamond pressed upholstery. Taking a look at the helm, guys, you'll see I've got the courtesy lights lit up, the full-size Yamaha Connect screen, wireless phone charger. Guys, this boat's got approximately 120 freshwater hours, always used on Upstate Lake here in South Carolina. A couple other additions they added were the Monster Tower wakeboard rack. Guys, got the bimini up to show you what it looks like. Great boat here, fully serviced, ready to go. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.